We are at the Judean desert. You can see here a monastery, but it's actually kind of a school for monks. If you want to be a hermit, first you must deal with life. Then in that case, you can see so many caves there. Then here you are study to do that, to get used to the desert, to get used to the people, to get used to yourself, because you know when you are at the desert alone, a lot of things happen. And Sbas, the one who built it at the 5th century, say that he had to fight a lot with the devil. And if we're talking about the devil is not so far away from here. That's where Jesus was tempted by the devil without any success. You can see here a little bit of the Dead Sea and the Jordan Valley. The other side is Jordan, and in just there, believe me, on top of it you can see 2 skyscrapers. This is Jordan, Amman. And if you saw the school for monks, for hermits, we are now heading to the Laura. Laura, it's the place that you are. All right, now you are totally a monk. You can actually live by yourself. And here in Horkanya, Castilion, you can do that. You already practice it. You know how to deal with life, to deal with the neighbors here. And now you are an hermit. You can be there forever. Then we are on the way to Horkanya, Castalion, to see another monastery that monastery that Sbas built at the 5th century. The school that we saw there, it's called the cave monastery. They actually worked for themselves. They earned their money, they built their monastery. The idea is not to be dependent on anyone else. They had a water system. They knew how to live. Remember, that was the school here. It's a real life. And here we are, heading to the fortress. And we have to climb it. Not easy, but worth it. Okay. Unbelievable, amazing, isn't it?
Сначала начали космонеи, а Ирод ее уже укрепил. Вот такие вот камня в это, помнишь, когда ты уходишь к этим воротам?
Look like a dam, an aqueduct. Look at the big stones. All right, you don't want me to hear my breath when I will climb it. It's hot today. Then you will meet me upstairs. Right there. Look how beautiful it is. The Hashmonite, the Maccabees, built here a fortress, and mainly King Herod used it and built a big fortress here as well. Some of the stones are from his time, but Sbas used it as the second biggest monastery in that area. What you saw there, it's a dam, an aqueduct that built by the Hashmonite. And I'm still alive, I'm breathing. You can see the mosaic here. And priest, Roman, and those holes made by bad people who try to rob to find antiques here. Far away. Abbas is somewhere there, but here you can see beautifully the Dead Sea. Wow, beautiful. Not so far away from Masada, like an hour driving to Masada that way. Jericho is to the left. You can see the cave church, the school for the hermits. This is a church, one of few churches that Sbas built. The apse disappears as well. And the most important issue here is that he kick away the demons here. Then in that case, another way to show you that he is the man of God. Nothing left from the Herodian and the Hashmonite fortress, because Sbas actually used it for his monastery here, including the water system that you're gonna see soon. They found here a beautiful cemetery of monks with beautiful frescoes. Again, we are talking about 5th century. That is part of the places that the monks actually, oops, monks actually meditate, prayed. If I mention that it was a Laura place that everyone could isolate themselves from the word, then I made a mistake. That was another konobium, a kind of a kibbutz, monks that pray together. Oops. There's another. Yeah. Another water system. A huge one.
יוצאים בצד השני של כדור הארץ.
אני חושב שאני שמעתי.
לא, זה פגע בקיר.
אוקיי. וואו, it is deep.
תגיעו לי מפה, מלמעלה.
I heard. בוא נעשה.
רגע, הנה, עכשיו.
לא. פגע בקיר.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's deep.
Если ты кинешь камень, даже не услышишь, как он падает.
פתח למה זה?
Another water.
לא יודע שהבטון ששמו, זה שמו את שהיה, ואז יש איזה בריכה קטנה, או סתם שמו
Another water system.
ואז יש עוד איזה...
מה זה הפתח הקטן פה?
זה פתח לתוך ההר. בתוך ההר יש המון חללים של מאגרי מים, של עולמות, של... פה קל יותר להיכנס.
האם זה... חשבתי שזה מקווה.
לא,
כן, אבל...
של המנזר, כן.
דרך אגב, אני רוצה להעיר הערה אחת קטנה. הדבר הכי מסובך בכל הבנייה זה הטיח. אתה צריך לקחת אבנים, לשרוף אותם ב-840 מעלות כדי לקבל את הטיח. אני לא מאמין שפה יש להם עצים, ואני לא יודע אם בטח קיבלו את הטיח כבר מוכן בסכין.
There's a lot of holes and tunnels in the place, and you can see a lot of caves for, as I believe, hermits, monks. You can see the dam and the aqueduct from the Hashmonite time. Leaving Horkenia, Castilion, and heading back to our truck. You can see the dam there. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.